Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have my Cat Lady box, y'all. I'm so excited. Smudge is here. Blue came up, and then he left right away as soon as I wanted to turn on the camera. And my box this time came in a plastic outer mailer, so I don't know if that's because of the weather or whatever, but the wearable was inside the bag and not inside the box. So Smudge, of course, is chewing on that right now for us. And this is the box. This is the March Cat Lady box. And I have a link below for their website. It's catladybox.com. Very easy to find. It is $34.99 for the Cat Lady box. And if you want what they call the Crazy Cat Lady box, is $39.99. That one includes toys for your cats. So, you know, since it's a monthly box, sometimes you might want to get, you know, toys and sometimes you might not want to. And they also have a marketplace where you can shop. And they have a lot of great deals on that. On their website, they have a lot of great sales. They have, going on for a while now, they have sales on Sundays. And they have great sales like at Christmas time and different times of the year. So, and then otherwise they have things that you'll see in the boxes and that you'll see in past boxes and all on sale in case you want to get, you know, another one, a t-shirt for a friend or an item or some toys. So you can look at their marketplace. So let's get in here. It's a really nice, good, sturdy box. This is the kind that opens this way. And we'll get a quick peek in there. And right on top is my card. Oh, the tissue is, there's usually a black tissue over it, and the tissue's there. It just got mushed away. It probably got all, you know, the way the mail is. Anyway, look at this cute card, y'all. They always have a beautiful postcard. Or card. It's not really a postcard because you can't mail it, but it's a card that you can frame. They're beautiful cards, and you know, it's always an artist that does the pictures. So this featured Cat Lady artist is Jamie Moss Wise at Moss Rose Art. I'm a farm-grown, self-taught artist. Moss Rose Art is named after my grandparents, who owned the land in Tennessee where I grew up. A land that seemed to be flooded with sunshine wrapped in green tendrils. My watercolors and drawings are infused with childlike whimsy and imagination, two things we need a lot more of in this world. Yes, you can see more of her work at etsy.com/shop/Moss Rose Art. And if you need that information, just ask me, okay? And then on the card, it tells us what we got in the box, and then it also tells us Cat Lady Cares, Apollo Support and Rescue for Cats, Pima Animal Care Center, Silver Whiskers Feline Rescue, and Cat Association of Topeka. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. So very, very nice. It's always so nice. I love that they are able to donate. I think it's wonderful. So let's see what we've got. Excuse me. Right on top are the cat toys. And Blue is down below me doing this on my leg. But look at these toys. These are, now talk about spring, sunshiny spring. Meow, it says Meowie, the theme is Meowie Spring. So this is the perfect rainbow catnip toy. And of course the boys love catnip. So look at that cloud. The cloud is like a Sherpa. Isn't that cute? And a little face on there, and then the rainbow is attached there. Very, very cute. That is called, it says, the perfect rainbow cat toy, Lucky Kitties. There's catnip at the end of this cute rainbow. The value is $4.99. And then there is the rubber ducky catnip toy. This is a big one. That's cute. Your cats will go quackers over this catnip stuffed ducky toy. The value is $4.99. That's cute, and it's so soft, y'all. That's adorable. Oh, very bright and sunshiny, and you know, we need some of that. It's been real gray and rainy here, so. Oh, how nice is this, y'all? The first thing I'm seeing is an umbrella. Look at that cute case on there. Oh, that is the case to go around your umbrella, and it says, Raining Cat's Umbrella. When it rains, it purrs. Turn drizzly days into perfect ones with this umbrella. The value is $22.99. And Raining Cat's umbrella. And this comes off here, and then there's your umbrella. And you know, it doesn't bother me to open an umbrella inside, y'all. I don't believe in luck. I believe in faith. Okay, so this is I'm gonna try to figure it out because I know that there'll be a easy way to do it. There we go. You pull it up, and then okay, watch out now. Smudge is coming over now that I'm gonna open this because I want you to see, because I can see the picture of it is super cute. All right, this is how it opens, and then well, I can't really open it all the way and see show you, be able to see it. Look at, there's different cats all around it. How cute is that, y'all? How cute. I think I went around. I think I went all the way around. There's all different kinds of cats. And then it closes very nicely. And there's a button here, and pull it down. And then I believe it'll lock in place. These pieces will lock into the handle. Maybe not. Maybe it doesn't do that. But then it has this. Are you coming over, Smudge? He's coming over. Put around it. Oh, he's sitting right here. He's sitting by the toys. And then you can put this back on. I won't worry about that this minute. Let's get on. Okay, Smudge. Good boy. And then there is this cute thing, y'all. This is adorable. This says it's a Cat Lady lunch tote. So look at, oh, I love this, y'all. I absolutely love this. This is a thermal tote. Look at that. And let's put, let me put it, zip it up so you can see it. How cute is that? It's like a little old-fashioned bowling bag. I love it. So this side is plain. I love the color. And then the front says Cat Lady. This patch is like a silicone, so it's not going anywhere. It's sewn on there nicely, and there's a pocket outside, which is very nice. And it's it has a rubber lining in there, so you know you can't really spill anything, which is great. And so you can use this for a lot of things, y'all. If you're traveling in the summertime, you can put some Cokes in there or some water bottles. You can put your makeup into a thermal bag and it'll keep it from melting. Not that I'm saying you should keep your makeup in the car when the car is 100 degrees, you know, when it's 100 degrees outside and it gets 120 or 140 in the car. But you can carry lipstick and things like that in cases like this, and they will stay protected to some extent. So that is so great. A sandwich and a drink and an apple, and I love that. Okay, anyway, that's valued at $16.99. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Thank you, Cat Lady Box. Okay, Smudge was sniffing at these toys, and I'll show you a video of them at the end playing. And then we have our wearable, and this, I love, look at the color of this shirt. It says, follow your butterfly shirt. You coming over, Smudge? He loves the box, of course, you know. I lost my place. Okay, a sweet kitten to remind you that fluttery feelings can lead you to your dreams. And the value is $22.99 on the t-shirt. And now I get, just because I like t-shirts to be loose and big, I get a 3X. Normally I would wear a 1X in a blouse, maybe a 2X, depending on what the item is. But I do like a big top, and then, you know, I can wear it as a pajama too if I want to. But look how cute this is. Look at that. The kitty is looking at the flower. It says, follow your butterflies. Follow your butterflies. Oh, it's a butterfly up there. I thought it was a flower, but it's a butterfly. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? And the color is so cute. The color is great. It's like a mint green, I would call it, maybe. A yellowish green, maybe not quite mint, but it's great it's a great summer color, And their t-shirts are very well crafted. They're a really nice cotton. They're always cotton, and they're a really nice cotton, and they're just super, super soft. I love their t-shirts. So that is my Cat Lady box, y'all. The beautiful t-shirt with that cute kitty on there. And this fabulous lunch bag. You know, I don't really take my lunch to work, but this would encourage me to do that. I do sometimes, but I tend to get too rushed. And but this, I want to bring my lunch in this, and I want to carry this every day with me. I might just use it as a purse. Heck, you could use it as a bag if you want to, most definitely. And the wonderful umbrella, perfect time of year for this. And then we have our toys. So Smudge, what do you think? I'm going to take the tags off, and then they'll play with them, okay? Thanks, y'all, for stopping by to see our Cat Lady box, and thank you so much to Cat Lady Box. They send this box to me free for review, I'm always ecstatic to see it. I'm telling you, the boys, I got it last night, and well, you might see this a day or two after I got it. But the boys, what they take over it. They sit on it, and they're like, you know, they try to hatch it because they love it so much. They love the box itself, smudges in the box, and they love the toys. So thank you so much, Cat Lady Box. We are so blessed to get this box, and we love it so much. Thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye. You got that already? You gonna take it? It's big. It's a big toy. Whoops. It's a big toy. Isn't that cute? You like that, Blue? Yeah. Where's the other toy? I think he's sitting on the other toy. Hey, baby boy. Smudge. Here's the rainbow. How cute is that? Okay, Blue, you like that. You like the bird. You like the bird? Okay, yeah. We've got our beautiful card here. I didn't even get to take it. I tend to forget to take a picture of things before the boys start at it. So they might be mangy looking once I get the pictures going. Okay, all right. Okay, Smudge. Okay, Blue. It's impossible to take pictures with these boys. Isn't it? Smudge is gonna sleep in the box. Blue is playing. Okay, babies.